This is where I live, not a palace, not a cage. Just a storeroom with stories buried in sacks of dust. My name? You can call me Rustico. I drink milk like a king but fear a puddle like a peasant. I live here by choice. The humans say it's filthy.
Ah, you filthy peasant. Do you know who I am?
I call it free. As Khalil Gibran once said, life without liberty is like a body without spirit. Even in dust and darkness, I breathe freedom. Everything in this room has a story. This broken hammer once scared away a snake. This torn shoe is now my throne. Minimalism isn't a trend here. It's a way of survival. T.S. Eliot once wrote, I have measured out my life with coffee spoons. I measure mine with shadows on the wall, the sound of approaching buffalo hooves, and the smell of morning butter. I am clean, but I hate baths. Why wash away the smell of the place I belong to? Outsiders scare me, especially kids. They carry chaos in their tiny hands. This is not just a place. It's a philosophy. Come back tomorrow. I might tell you about the mouse who lived in the toolbox, or the time I almost flew.